Hello, this is Jason, and I am here at Fortune Town, which is right across the street from Central Rama 9, which is a big mall complex that I have yet to check out. And this is the Rama 9 MRT stop, the blue line. So, Fortune Town, I guess this is like the place where you can get electronic stuff. So I'm definitely a electronics fan. So let's see what kind of stuff you can get here. This level looks all food. Of course, you got a Starbucks pharmacy down there. Watson's. Store. Zoom camera. So there's a lot of legit things here, like selling DJI stuff. Mini 5 Pro, I'd like to have that one. I have the Mini 4 Pro. And that's 37,000 baht, which is $1,200. Pretty pricey. And here's the camera that I'm using right now, which they have for sale for $448. It's Pocket 3, $14,450. That's around 400 and some. That's actually a pretty good price for that. And the new Action 6, which my 360 has the same sensor as that. So it's pretty expensive. You can get the Nano for $279. I wonder if they have. I would like the adapter. Sell an adapter, the DJI mics to use on your phone. Adapter. Do you have this mobile adapter? No. Okay. Trying to find it. This is a good camera for vlogging. It's pretty pricey. What is that? It's $1,250. That's on sale. Did you carry this? No. There's a lot of places that could potentially have it, but I think you can really only get it from DJI directly. It's a cool little drone. Definitely a lot of camera stores here. But all the prices are pretty much the same. bunch of lights. Very nice. Where's the good deals at, man? Not seeing the good deals. Oh, music store. Selling CDs and records. Not seen one of those in a while. Side cup. There's a bunch of like chargers and phone accessories. There's a DJI place. Howdy, cop. Do you carry this?
Oh, sorry, sir, I don't have.
No?
Yeah.
Okay. Cop and cop. Yeah, I think this is impossible find. Old iPhones. Oh, like refurbs. iPhone 8. Sorry, cop. Pretty cheap, like 60 bucks. Mm-mm-mm. 17 Pro Max. Set it up. Would like 17 Pro Max. Set it up. But they're trying to sell them for retail. Why not just buy it right at the Apple Store? And then we have a Lotus, which is kind of like the Target of Thailand. Big C is the Walmart. Big C is a little cheaper. Lotus is a little bit more, has some higher quality things, just slightly. Same as Walmart and Target. It's 360. Oh, I got the lavalier mic. Tripod. Ooh, lens protectors. Could use the lens protectors. Howdy, cop. Do you have this little transmitter for the DJI?
Oh, we don't have this part.
No. Okay. You have to get this directly from DJI. Do you know? Or you don't know?
But I don't sure, nah. But you can across this at Central Rama at DJI store shop.
Oh, okay.
You can find this, but I don't sure they have.
Okay. Cop and cop. So they have a DJI store at Central Rama 9. Might be worth going over there, check it out. Bum, bum, bum. All right, let's go up a level. I think this would be a good place to come if you wanted to get like your phone or laptop repaired or screen replaced or something. Little shoe outlet. Tons of iPhones and iPads. Which some of the older used ones are pretty cheap, but the new stuff's not. Let's see how much the new Pro Max is. Well, that's per month, so $48.9, the cheapest one. And let's see what these other little stores are charging. I don't think they got discounts. Laptops. Audio mic store. More DJI stuff. Very high prices. And then we got a little food court. All right, let's go up again. Whoa. Banana. IT City. Tons of computers, monitors, projector outlet. Dell, look at this, a Dell store. Dell, I used to know him, authorized retailer. So it's not actual Dell. Okay, so here's a computer repair place. A bunch of DVDs. Another computer repair shop. Printers. Accessories. Asus store. ROG Public and Gamers. So, I guess if you wanted a gaming rig, this would be a good place to come. Printer ink store. Yeah, full price on the DJI stuff. Nothing really special, if you ask me. Alright, so this is Fortune Town. Got these little animals behind me. But good place to come if you want to get like a laptop repaired or your phone repaired or something like that. But I didn't see any super great deals. So just wanted to show you what it's all about. And that's all I got for this one. So talk to you later. Take it easy. Don't even think about it.